Introducing Scale-Tec Kit IQ, a web app that takes the guesswork out of aftermarket scale systems, giving you instant access to decades worth of equipment knowledge so you can find the perfect kit for your machine. Whether you're a dealer outfitting a customer's planter or a farmer looking to add scales to your grain cart, Kit IQ speaks your language. It asks the right questions about your equipment and delivers the correct kit recommendation without requiring any specialized knowledge. To access Kit IQ, visit kit.scaletec.com. Kit IQ works by asking a series of questions custom tailored to your specific equipment. Answer each question to the best of your ability to receive the most accurate kit recommendation. Let's hit Get Started and walk through an example. The first question will ask what type of equipment you are working with. Next, you'll select your equipment's make and model. From there, Kit IQ will ask for more details about your machine. Things like model year, row number, or axle type, depending on the equipment. Every question you answer helps Kit IQ narrow down the options until only the correct kit remains. Kit IQ is optimized to find the right kit with as few questions as possible. Once your equipment has been identified, Kit IQ presents a clear kit recommendation and a part number to reference when placing an order. From the results page, you can also download the installation manual to see exactly how the selected kit would mount on your equipment. Once you are ready, click the Request a Quote button. This button prompts our sales team to contact you directly with pricing. Kit IQ takes the guesswork out of finding the right scale kits for planters, drills, spreaders, seed tenders, grain carts, and more. Whether you're an implement dealer or a farmer doing it yourself, Kit IQ gets you to the right kit fast. Give us a call at 888-962-2344 or visit kit.scaletec.com and find your kit today.